Alright, hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. I am teaching my niece how to do her eyebrows, and she's learning how to do it for the first time. Teaching her how to use it, and look at her, isn't she doing a good job? Her name is Maya. This is her first time. Isn't she doing good? Yeah, she is working it. She's still trying to get used to holding the she'll never forget this Thanksgiving. Isn't she cute? Making her blush. I'm getting ready to do her hair later on. How old are you, Maya? 16? She just turned 16, and she'll never forget this year. She's learning how to do her auntie showed her how to do her her eyebrows.
Please go underneath.
Don't go underneath. I'll show you how to do underneath. Yeah. Look there. Alright. She did good, didn't she? Alright, I'm going to clean them up a little bit more for her, but now she don't have to wait on her auntie to do her hair. Alright. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Bye. Uh-oh, recording. Alright, guys. I thought I was taking a picture. I'm going to show y'all my niece, her eyelashes. There they are. Look at the people. Didn't it come out good? She looks so pretty. And turn around. I did her hair. I sewed it in. And this is True Glory hair. It looks good. This is my first time doing a sew-in on somebody else's hair in a while. Turn around, Mom. Now wave to the people. Bye, YouTube.